Hello again, we are going to make this firecracker out of Angpow. First of all, you will need 6 pieces of the same size Angpow. Okay, so this is how you do it. You fold your Angpow into half, and then you already got the center point. For the top also, you need to fold into half just to get the center point. After that, you link the center to the center and you fold it alongside for all the other ends, all the center points, right? I use a chopstick or ruler to score your paper so that you get a nice and neat fold. Okay, like this. So what you will end up is something like a rhombus shape with triangle all over, all on all sides. Yes, this is the shape that you want. If you find it very hard to fold along the middle points, you can do this. Okay, you take a pen and score or connect all the center middle points like this with the pen on the other side, the behind of the paper, and this will make your folding so much easier and more precise, right? After that, you fold the same for all 6 pieces. Now it's time to assemble. It is advisable to assemble the design with the same pattern, same direction, so to say, and make sure you align all the ends as precisely as you can, because in the end you wanted a very nice shaped hexagon. So connect all your 6 pieces, staple along the crease. Okay, I use stapler because it's faster, but you can use glue or you can even use double-sided tape. So okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then the last piece I give it my accent piece of different color or different design. This one I use gold just to make it a bit more interesting for the whole box thing. Okay, now we have assembled one side, and we need to assemble the behind also. Do the same thing. Okay, if you are going to stapler, I think you can only staple like two sides of it because this is very tight. So I think it's better if you use double-sided tape or glue. I use double-sided tape, but I also reinforce it with some glue because double tape tend to be a bit not sticky in the heat. So maybe after a while when you hang it with our weather here, it's a bit hot, then your whole thing will unravel and you will lose your whole craft. So it's better if you put some glue to it, then it will hold the shape nicely until maybe the end of your Chinese New Year. Okay, so there you have it. Now we do the last piece here. Also I put some tape and glue. I put my tape very near the crease, the fold, so it will be very nice and close nicely. Okay, see? Now we close it. Yeah, so this is the shape that we are going to have. We're going to make. Okay, it's not so hard, it's a very sturdy shape also. Now we are going to make our firecracker. Okay, for the firecracker, you also need a long angpow. Fold it into half, put some glue, and you roll it along a chopstick or any kind of tubular long thing to make it easier for you to roll. Okay, you can do freehand rolling, but I find it a bit hard, so yeah. And to fasten the shape, I use a rubber band, and then you cut halfway so that you get 2 firecrackers. And now to assemble your firecracker, I've made 8 pairs of these firecracker. What you do is you get a piece of long angpow again. You don't need so much, you can cut it into half, and then you rub a lot, you fasten it with some glue. Okay, and you rub a lot, put some glue on top so that you can arrange your firecracker on the strip. Choose the nice side. Okay, you just arrange all your firecrackers here. If the glue is not enough, you can add more. Okay, just arrange nicely and don't move it until it's dry. When it's dry, you can paste the top to the hexagon shape. Okay, now you are going to make a tassel for this firecracker. So I roll a piece of angpow, fasten the top. Okay, use rubber band to hold the shape, remove it later. Okay, and you cut along the bottom for the tassel. Okay, open up a bit, fray it a bit, and before that I have already stick one piece of a strip of angpow here, so you just slot your tassel down here. Okay, leave it to dry before you do any drastic movement to it. And now we are also going to make a handle, a hook for the whole thing. Okay, again you roll up some angpow paper. Okay, make a long strip and then fold it into a U shape, put some glue on it and stick it to the behind. Please wait for it to dry before you attempt any movement. And there you have it.